In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Apple Card to Amazon so you can streamline your purchases and make your checkout process even more convenient. Whether you're a frequent Amazon shopper or just looking to maximize the benefits of your Apple Card, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Amazon account, which can be done simply by visiting their website and entering your credentials. Once logged in, look to the top right where you'll find the Account and Lists section. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of options. Click on Your Payments from this list. This is your central hub for managing how you purchase items on Amazon, making it essential for today's task. When you're in the Your Payments section, you're going to want to look for the option that allows you to add a new payment method. There should be a clear button labeled Add a Credit or Debit Card. Click on this button and a new form will appear, prompting you to enter your card details. Now it's time to grab your Apple Card or any other card you have linked with Apple Pay. Carefully enter the card number, expiration date, and any other required details into the form that Amazon provides. This part is crucial because any mistake here could lead to potential issues during checkout. Always double-check the information before proceeding. Once you've filled out all the card details, don't forget to hit the Save button. This will store your new payment method securely in your Amazon account, allowing you to easily access it whenever you decide to make a purchase. Now, the next time you head to your Amazon cart and proceed to checkout, you'll have the option to select the Apple Card or any card linked through Apple Pay that you've just added. Simply pick this card from the list of available payment options. You'll be able to enjoy quick, efficient, and secure transactions facilitated by Apple Pay's seamless integration with Amazon's interface. By following these steps, you're not only enhancing your Amazon shopping experience, but also getting the most out of the rewards and perks that come with using your Apple Card. Keep in mind that if you encounter any difficulties along the way, Amazon's customer service is typically very helpful, as is Apple's support if you have questions specific to Apple Pay. With everything set up, you're ready to enjoy a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience on Amazon. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!